584.675, clean run for Richard. Second or so for the second run. Russell Neal, car B11, Marquis Slider, fifth. And Don Satter out there, he's running on 71.9. He dipped down to the 70s. Car B11 again, Russell Neal, 6.5, 6.5. Uh-oh. That's not going to be the quick run for Don. There's the good intercept. Once we got that drop in. 77.496, 77.496 for Don Sattler. Obviously not his best zone to spin out there. Workers, workers, workers. If you are, just ran in Group A, you are probably working at C, so go up and see Garen. He's got the straw hat and the yellow shirt on. He'll go assign your work assignment. Try to do, not completely on the fly, but try to get those worker changeovers as quickly as possible. Send you out right away. This time here. 80.084, 80.084 for car B13, Brian Phillips. Trying to get the worker changeover